Every day, we in Malaysia live in relative peace and comfort in a rapidly developing city, alongside those who are precious to us. Sustained peace begins with a commitment to protect, defend, and neutralize threats. Deftech is thoroughly dedicated to ensure our forces are always equipped to safeguard our way of life. Established in 1996, DRB-HICOM Defence Technologies, or Deftech, was conceived to support Malaysia's aspirations towards a more self-reliant defence and to create a healthy local defence industry. A wholly owned subsidiary under DRB-HICOM Berhad, Deftech Group includes 4 subsidiary companies: Defence Services Sdn Berhad, Deftech Aviation, Deftech Systems Integration, and Deftech Unmanned Systems. As a key industrial driver in Malaysia, Deftech stands true to its vision to be a premier defence and aerospace company that sets the benchmark in all domains. Our mission is to lead in the design, development, manufacturing, supply and maintenance of land platforms, aeronautics, composite structures, unmanned technologies, and systems integration for military, homeland security, government agencies, and commercial applications. Deftech's humble start in the defence automotive business began with the supply of its own Handalan 1 and 2 4x4s. To date, more than 3,000 units have been supplied worldwide. Deftech propelled further over the years with investments in R&D and extensive capability enhancements. In 2003, this endeavour was proven successful by the efficient assembly of 259 Adnan ACV-300 infantry fighting vehicles for the Malaysian Army. The acquisition of DSSB in 2007, a dedicated plant with high-tech capabilities for turret manufacturing and fully equipped to handle 3rd and 4th line maintenance of the Army's fleet of armoured vehicles, further expanded Deftech's capabilities. In 2011, Deftech embarked on another ambitious venture in support of Malaysia's first steps towards localizing the industry. The AV-8 Gempita Armoured Wheeled Vehicle marks the first locally manufactured land combat system, with all production based in Deftech's plant in Pekan Pahang, supported by Defence Services Sdn Berhad in Nilai Negeri Sembilan. Deftech's core businesses are fourfold. Deftech is a premier defence company setting the benchmark in design, development, manufacturing and supply of armoured and logistics vehicles for all sectors of Malaysia's national security. Synonymous with excellent land systems, maintenance, repair and overhaul capabilities, Deftech is a trusted service provider for military-based MRO in the domains of unmanned systems, systems integration and aerospace. Deftech is the holder of international standard industry certifications and accreditations. Deftech's commercial arm is also a preferred supplier for specialized vehicles, including commercial buses. Deftech is capable of providing comprehensive military solutions for land and aerospace systems. Deftech's manufacturing plant in Pekan Pahang is host to world-standard facilities, fully equipped to manufacture, design and develop land systems. It is host to the only NATO-standard test track in the region, reflecting Deftech's commitment to high-quality products and services. Defence Services Sdn Berhad, located in Nilai, is a dedicated plant equipped with high-tech facilities, making it the leading national MRO service centre for military and specialised vehicles. Strategically located in Malacca, Deftech Aviation has through the years distinguished itself as an advanced composites, maintenance, repair and overhaul hub certified and accredited by local and international authorities. Deftech Unmanned Systems is accredited by DGTA and fully equipped to design, develop, maintain, repair and operate unmanned aerial vehicles. Deftech Systems integration in Shah Alam is at the forefront of cutting-edge software technology with the capacity to provide full services in systems integration solutions for land, air, and naval capabilities. Deftech, strive for excellence.